Basically, the design had to represent something to do with the industry to start with. Had to have something to do with welding, had to follow Lincoln in all the things they do. As a fitter, basically I copied one of my previous designs, which included a lot of gears, a lot of industrial. That was basically the thought behind it.
And where did the spiders come into it?
Spiders were an afterthought. In a lot of my drawings I hide a lot of things. I got a lot of time to undo the drawings, a lot of times involved. I had to add something in. There's a lot of hidden things, but the spiders, I thought, yeah, you know what, I needed something in there just to go with it. I was slightly rushed and that was my own fault, but I think it was possibly between 50 and 60 hours. Cheap MIG stick. In this building itself I've done a bit of training as well. 20-25 years worth of welding experience, although I don't do as much welding as I'd like to anymore, but I definitely have the ability to unweld or at least stick two bits together and make them not fall apart. Oh, I'm exceptionally happy with it. It looks better than I thought it would, to be honest. I didn't know how it would have progressed onto the actual welding helmet, and I just appreciate the time and effort that people have taken since I've drawn it to actually get the design on here and to make it look pretty damn good, actually.